In this video, we're going to learn how to use the cons function. This function adds an element to the beginning of a list or construct a dotted list. For example, we have here the cons A5. It returns A.5. It's a dotted list. Another example is, let's say we have here cons 7 and 9. It returns 7.9. Let's say we have here a more complicated list. Cons list of A and a list of B and C and D. So it gives us a ABCD. The value returned depends on the data type of list or atom. If list or atom is a list, cons returns that list with new first element added as the first item in the list. If list or atom is an atom, cons returns a dotted pair consisting of new first element and list or atom.